The US election has caused so many altcoins to plunge to the upside. You can see how radium, nickel, almost every coin is doing well or has been pumping. If your coin is not pumping, then you are holding the wrong cryptocurrency. But Bitcoin hit $76,000, even though we are seeing some sort of minor retracement. But Ethereum is showing some strength right now. I think Ethereum has broken structure, and if Ethereum close above $2,800, then we're gonna see Ethereum go right up to about 3,500, and this is gonna be parabolic for most Ethereum-based altcoins. No wonder Bitcoin dominance took a huge dip to the downside for the first time, breaking this structure here. This uptrend, you can see it has been going on for a while now, and Bitcoin dominance it has broken structure. So we're gonna see what Bitcoin will do. We test structure then at one point, then maybe go more down. And I think this is because of what Ethereum has done. Ethereum has broken structure, but the liquidation heat map tells a different story. It shows that we can hit $78,000 or even $80,000, or maybe we can go right down to $72,000 for Bitcoin for the next 12 hours. And lastly, Trump coin took a huge dip after the president won the election. After Trump won the election, we saw Trump coin took a huge dip right down to about $1, but it has pumped right back to $2, which is awesome comeback. And I think this coin is gonna still do well because of Donald Trump. He won the election. That is awesome, and we love to see that. Oh boy, you are welcome, welcome back again on my channel. I've been talking about Bitcoin, altcoins, blah blah blah, and things that I've been talking about has come to pass. Today, we are gonna look at some big AI plays that I think are going to help you make some huge gains. AI is the future, and if AI is the future, we have to look at crypto-based AI projects. Look at the ones that can really make us huge profit during this bull market. Because as Bitcoin is gonna be retracing, or as dominance is gonna be retracing to the downside, Ethereum pumping, this is gonna cause most altcoins to pump. And I think the upside for Bitcoin is actually clear. Right now, we don't know what might happen. It might just shoot right up to 68,000 or $120,000 per Bitcoin. But this is what I'm looking at on the market. What we do here is basically analyzing what the market is telling us, what the charts speak to us, and we don't, base our argument on fear or on what people are going to say out there. We base our argument based on what the chart tells us. So I am a guy who trades support and resistance, market structure, vector candles, smart money, all of this stuff that the market makers use to move price to one zone to another zone is what I base my argument on a daily basis. And I use all coins to make more Bitcoin. Bitcoin is my fiat. And my platform is designed to help anyone out there who is realistic enough to say to themselves that they want to make money long term, sustainable, and I educate them what I know. I don't tell people to go and buy. I tell them what I'm buying. So if say you are interested to get what I'm buying, it's simple. Go to the description of this video. You're gonna find my link tree, and this is my link tree. There you're gonna get my buy a link where you're gonna take it to where you're gonna get really start to become part of my buy and sell signal community. And this is it. It costs just $20. If you say you are interested, this is it. I currently have now two members who have registered through this platform, but I have like 8 members right now to my on my in my buy and sell signal community, and these guys are awesome. I'm gonna be helping these guys make more profit. It's only $20. It won't cost you anything. If you have making money, then this is something for you. By the way, if say you don't have money, good and fine. Keep watching my videos, and you're gonna get the same value anyways. So talking about what we got for today, before we even go there, I just want you to guys to, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button. It's important. We have hit right now we have hit, I think that is 6,005 subscribers. Maybe I'm gonna be doing a giveaway today. I think so. Maybe if say I see more people, I'm gonna give membership to you guys, and that's gonna be awesome. So, by the way, I want us to dive into what I got here for you guys today, real quick. Let's analyze this quickly. I'm receiving a call right now, guys. I think it's important call, but it has gone. I'm not gonna answer the call. It's fine. So now let's begin with crypto bubbles. You guys already know the drill. We'll begin with crypto bubbles. Okay, what the bubbles are gonna be saying to us, or what are they saying to us? CryptoBubbles is one of the top platforms that I use out there to analyze the market. It helps me understand what is going on in the market, the overall trend in the market. And if I understand the overall trend in the market, I can go now on the chart to see which coins are doing well and which coins are not doing well. But now, looking at the daily time frame, we can see that MOC is not doing well, ICP is not doing well, MU is not doing well, and most of the coins that have been pumping in the past are not doing well. But if we go to the weekly time frame, you can now see the bigger perspective of which coins have been doing well from the top 100 coins. You can see Gold, Ray, Nero, NR, Lido, X, Z. They have been doing well, but ICP and others haven't been doing well. You can see only some few coins are doing well, and these coins that are doing well are the coins that are going to keep doing well until we get to maybe the height of the bull market. But we are still have some big players here that are not doing well, but they have done well on the monthly and the yearly time frame. So what I do when I come to crypto bubble is I want to look at coins that have good narrative, that have done well in the past, that have done well against Bitcoin. And if the coin has done well against Bitcoin, then I'm going to start looking at opportunities to buy the coin because I know it's not outperform Bitcoin doing the what do I keep saying bear market, doing the bull market. So that's my play. You can check on the hourly time frame, daily time frame, weekly, monthly, yearly, and check in the market cap and daily performance. You can see these are the coins that have done well based on their market cap and daily performance. Ethereum is up today 6%, BNB 0. So no, all of these top coins they are doing well. But if you go to the top 200 coins, see other narratives here doing well today. And it's awesome. And by the way, I chart these coins alongside Bitcoin. I look at this like my fiat. Bitcoin is my fiat. So if a coin is doing well against Bitcoin, then I want to be in that coin. And I don't look at this other shit fiat coin like USD, Euro, and other stuff. I don't deal with those shit coin. Bitcoin is my currency. That's why I trade more to make more Bitcoin. So this is something I think maybe if you practice, being part of my community can really help you, take your trading level, take your trading to the next level. And those of you who have been there with me, you already know the drill. I'm someone who I focus on what is real. I eliminate all the noise out there. I try to help people understand the bigger picture, make people understand that it's not all about chasing the 1000x, coins, FOMO into coins because this person say so, or this person have said something about it, or this person made money. No, doesn't work like that. Investment or trading any coin require you to have a plan, a strategy that is going to work. So if say you don't have one and you're still struggling with your portfolio, you're still struggling with your entry, your exit, take out profit. If you are still going through this same stress and you haven't yet found the solution, then I say to you right now, go and be part of my VIP community to get my buy and sell signal. Once you must have made money enough, then I want to take you to the next level, which is portfolio management. And once you must have made money enough, then I take you to the alpha, which is a complete education to give you the same strategy that I use on my platform every now and then. And if you see you don't have all of this time or money, just stick to my live shows and you're gonna be understanding day after day what I do here. Now let's continue with this and let's go straight away to Bitcoin. Okay, I don't have much to say to you guys about Bitcoin, but I have to look at the bigger picture as always. Look at what price has done in the past, and then we look at what we might expect price to do in the future. Sorry, in the what the price have done in the past, and then expect what price might do in the future. So let's stay on the weekly time frame. Now, what do you see here on the weekly time frame? We see that price has broken structure, but there's something I want us to acknowledge here. If price closed this week above this, let's say $74,000, or yeah, above $74,000, then we can confirm that we have broken structure on the 1 week time frame, or the on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, yeah, we can confirm that we have broken structure on the weekly time frame. But if say we don't see any reaction, or we see not anyway, if say we don't see price do what I just said, instead, we see all of this vector being eaten back, or how it came right down to about 70 or $68,000. Okay, then I think we are still back to where we were before. Okay, even though we should come back here there at one point, but this candle alone should break structure and close above. Look at what happened here previously. Look at this candle, huge candle. I think we might see, we might still see this candle go right up to maybe up to $80,000. I don't know. We're gonna look at the heat map to give us more confirmation on what might happen with Bitcoin. But look at this level here. When price break structure, we saw how it formed these two vectors here, and they have recovered all of the vector. You can see, guys, the vectors are smart money strategy that the market makers use to make money. When you see green vectors like this, when market is pumping, it means they are building short. They want to come recover these vector candles. And if say you see red vector candles, it means they are building longs, and they're gonna go and recover this vector candle. You can see they did recover this one, and they start immediately building the next contract here. You can see properly this green, and they're gonna come at one point to recover at least half or all of the vector. If they recover half, when price haven't yet, like break structure and stay above $74,000, then it means we might keep going more downward. And I want to see the alpha trend, start printing this something like, guys. There's so much I want to see here. Look at these moving averages. We have to see this moving average, this 200, the 200 moving average have to cross above the better moving average, and all of these other moving averages be above. So this is something I'm looking at, and I'm keen to see that this come to play. If it doesn't come to play, then we might see other altcoins really plunge back downward. All the gains we have made, can go back to zero. But I think this is not likely. This, something I think might happen. You might see Bitcoin go right up to $8,000, and that's what we can look at right now. On the liquidation heat map, you can see right now Bitcoin is sitting at this $75,000, and the next target is going to be $76,000, which it has already gone there and created this area here. So it might go and attempt to clear this liquidity here, or go straight away around $77,000 or $78,000, which is closer to let's say $80,000. Just 2,000 away to $80,000. And also they can bring price right down here to $72,000. You can see clearly we have some liquidity here around $72,000. So they can bring price back to all of these areas that I am looking at, or that we are looking at this point in time. But something good here is that Ethereum has broken structure looking at the daily time frame. Now, I I want Ethereum to close above this zone here. If Ethereum do close above this area, yeah, then we might expect some sort of pullback there. Then the target is where the alpha trend created sell signal, yeah, and we might even go to to recover this liquidity here around 3.96 million, and that's going to be around $3,500. And I think if Ethereum is going to go there, then Arbitrum, most Ethereum based projects are going to be pumping as well. If Ethereum is going to break this structure, you can see Ethereum has been suffering here for a long time now, attempting and failing multiple times. One, two, three. Now it has broken the structure, and I believe that we're gonna see Ethereum do well, and Ethereum is gonna be outperforming Bitcoin. And I think that's the reason why we saw Bitcoin dominance plunge a little bit downward. And this is what has happened with dominance. We saw this huge week after a long time. Look at this upward trend for dominance, but this time around we have seen a huge week, which might be an example or a sign that we are back in an uptrend. So this is very important. What I'm trying to convey to you here today, if you're someone who actually understand how the market moves, understand altcoins narrative, what all coins out there are going to be moving alongside Bitcoin, or which coins have the most trend in the market, then I believe that um, long term you are going to be making money and keep the money. So this is part of my strategy. I try to look at Bitcoin, look at all the macro aspect of the market to see what price is doing so that we can get the best entry so far, in the market. And one thing I want us to look at here is total trade. This bad boy has broken structure as well. Well, not like really broken structure, but I think it is at a good zone. Look at this vector here. We can see it pump and attack this liquidity that I've been calling here for a long time now. You can see this vector, it signifies a lot, and maybe the next pump is going to be up this zone. And I think Ethereum is leading the way because of what Ethereum has done. We are seeing now this total tree doing well, doing almost similar thing, trying to break structure, and the target is bogus. If we zoom out, you see where we might be heading towards. We might be heading towards 1 trillion cap for total trade. These are all cryptocurrencies, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the reason why this chart is very important is because it represents all other altcoins, and because most altcoins are tied to Ethereum. Ethereum have most of the liquidity that are in altcoins. If Ethereum is pumping, then most of these altcoins are going to pump as well. But now, looking at total too, these are all coins in the market, excluding Bitcoin. So these have to tie with Ethereum, and Ethereum is doing well. Arbitrum and most other coins are doing well. That's why we are seeing this green vector here. Remember, green vector means they can come back and cover at least half of it before they can pump price back to the upside. But again, you can see we have liquidity here around this 1 trillion or 1.2 trillion for total trade that they can come here and grab it, which is possible. And this is also where the alpha trend printed sell signal here. So these are all those that I think are valid areas that the market makers can push price to, and I think if say you pay attention to it, it's gonna help you a lot. By the way, if say you are watching and you haven't yet do like the show. It's very important you like the show. You're gonna help so many people get on the show. I always love to do this, but if say you guys come here and you don't support by liking, if I say like, it's because the algorithm wants you to like it. If you watch, you don't like, then you're not supporting the show for someone else to get it. So it's very important, guys. You actually do watch it right now. And also, there's something I want us to look here, which is Trump coin. Trump coin has been diving by taking a deep dive, but it's coming back. You can see. I think if I look at this on the daily time frame, it's clear that we are respecting structure here. You see, even though we saw this huge dip here, we saw this quick buyback towards these levels that price dropped before we saw the pump during the election season. I think most of the profit have been cashed out. Now we have to take this bad boy to the next level, and the upside is really awesome. So I'm still gonna be playing with this coin because Trump won the election, and I think there's still a lot coming. If say Trump is gonna tweet, or maybe before the inauguration day in January, we're gonna see more upside, and much that this coin is in the bull market. So we are seeing this coin in the bull market, and Bitcoin Trump is for Bitcoin. If Trump has to support Bitcoin, then Bitcoin pump, then this coin can pump as well. So those of you who actually want to take advantage of something like this is good, but don't quote me. Don't go and quote me. Those of you who are part of my VIP, of course, I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm buying. What I'm selling is up to you to buy it, and I'm going to tell you when I'm taking out profit. Okay, so that's that. Now going to AI, let's go to some AI coins. So we can analyze and see some top AI. I even have a list that I've been doing some research today about some top AI coins, and I think AI coins are gonna do so well, because AI is at the center of almost everything that we do now. AI is at the top. Now, looking at these coins, one of them, my AI pick is this coin. Let me just show it to you quickly. I was looking at this coin before, not this. Okay, Biteso is one of them, but Biteso already have a huge market cap of let's see 3 billion yeah, almost to 4 billion. So we are looking at coins that haven't yet done that much. We have Akash Network. Akash Network is one of the coins that you should look at. It's still at 114 and it's up for today 3%, almost 4%. We also have this iOS Network. It's one of my player. Then what again? Let me scroll down a little bit. Okay, we have Eco Prime. Echelon, not Eco Prime, Echelon Prime. This is on the base network. This coin, pay attention to that coin. Tubo is here. I think Tubo is a big play, but Tubo is been manipulated. Yeah, when I look at the volume, I don't like the volume. Even though we see that the cap on Ethereum looks good, but I think this 200 million cap is been manipulated. If I look at the liquidity on Ethereum and on also on um I think on base. Yeah, let me see quickly where this coin is. Let's see which network that the coin is in. Okay, Ethereum and Solana. The liquidity there is not that significant. It's not, and it's nothing. But if I go here, I can show you guys quickly so you understand what I'm trying to convey here with that coin. So let me just go. I think I have to go here. Let's see if I have to go. Okay, I have to go. Let's go to go on Ethereum. So no, this is on Solana. Look at this liquidity. It's nothing. That's 53K. This is small. And look at the cap, 935K. I mean, this doesn't make any sense to me. And if we go on the Ethereum chain, right, as you can see clearly, it's both on Ethereum and Solana. You can see Ethereum and Solana. So let's go and copy the contract address for Ethereum. Go back to desk screener and we look at the liquidity there. Or maybe it's found on most exchanges. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is it on Ethereum. And look at this. Just 330 and 37K. And then look at the market cap. 611.8 million. Guys, this is not real to me. These guys are just manipulating price, the price of to go, they're manipulating the volume and the cap. The cap means nothing to me if the liquidity is nothing to me. Look at this and look at this amount, 611 million. So these guys, if they have to sell this amount, can let's cash all their profit out and let's go to the holders even. Let's see, because it's very important. Let's see what the holders are, what they are doing here. Let me see a little bit. This person have 72 million in value, 75 million in value of Tubo. Can they cash it out with just this amount of liquidity? No, they cannot cash it out. Meaning they're gonna be dumping on you. They're gonna use you as exit liquidity. And when the price comes, gonna be dumping on you gradually. So it's very important you understand these dynamics, how the market moves, so you don't fall prey to those guys who already bought at the bottom who have so much of this coin. You can see this guy have 75 million of this coin, 12%. This guy is holding 11%, which is 68 million. This guy is holding 96. Even if these people are exchanges or these wallets are exchanges, it's still dangerous because they can just dump it on you. I don't know if say the coin it has a very good community, but guys, I'm looking at liquidity and the market is all about liquidity. So that is a red flag for me when it comes to go. I'm not gonna go for Tibo. I'm not gonna buy Tibo. I don't want to gamble with Tibo, but it already come anyways. I want to look at coins that have good narrative. So there's this coin here, Power AI is another AI coin that I think is good. You just have 143 million. I think this coin can go to 1 billion cap. And another one that I have here is Destra Network. I don't know if you have seen. Okay, this is Destra Network. This is another player. That I think is also a good AI coin that you can take advantage of. You know, Delicium also is good. This IG Delicium is good. Coin. I don't want to go for Kedena. Let's see. Let's see my list. I have also um Condox. I have XKML. I have anyone protocol. Let's see. I cannot go to all of them right now, but the list is just enormous. Destra, Hash AI, Pal AI, Axie Infinity, Akash Network, iOS Network, Echelon, Prime, OXO.ai. We also have ZKML, anyone protocol, Note AI, Conduct AI, SKML, OPSec. Yeah. So those are the AI coins that I'm looking at right now. I'm gonna be sharing with my VIP community when I'm gonna buy either of these coins or when I'm gonna sell. Another coin I didn't mention here is VRA, that's Velocity. I think that's also one of my top AI. Let me see if I can see VRA here. VRA, you can get VRA on OKX. You can get it also on Bybit. The links are found below this video. Let's see, Velocity. Yeah, but if you understand velocity, then you know what I'm talking about. It's one of the top AI. You can see Caspar was there, but Caspar, I don't know if say this coin gonna survive. It's now at the top 200, the top 400 coins, which is not bad, but can they come back? They are now at 87 million cap. I think it's still better than some main points out there. The question is, can they hold and can they bounce back to normal? So, guys, this is just the coins I'm looking at, and I think maybe they can help you out if, say, you actually pay attention to them, and if, say, you don't pay attention to them, it's also fine. It's good and fine. You must not buy all the coins that I talk about on my platform. But again, I have to come here and share with you guys what is going on in the market and how you can take advantage of price action for your benefit. So having said all of these, guys, we have come to the end of this video. I'm gonna be live again tonight, and we're gonna talk on some other altcoins, about meme coins, maybe Dogecoin, Floki Inu, all of the meme coins out there. We're gonna talk about tonight. I think, yeah, when my kids have gone to sleep, then I'm gonna come here, and anyone I meet, we're gonna talk about it. Having said all this good stuff, guys, see you in the next video. Bye, ciao, peace.